You know what's common between Cristiano Ronaldo, Nikhil Kamath, Barack Obama, Dwayne Johnson, Alia Bhatt, Gordon Ramsay and me, and hopefully after watching this video you as well? We are all YouTubers. And no, that's not because having a YouTube channel is a cool side hustle to have. In fact, there is a much more practical reason behind it. And once you understand that reason, you will realize that why college students who are not starting on YouTube today are making their lives unknowingly harder for tomorrow. Hi, I'm Ayaan and I recently graduated from college having only one regret, that I didn't create videos consistently enough. And no, that's not because of fame, subscribers or money. It's because I realized today how YouTube can turn into your unfair advantage. And this video is about making sure that you don't have the same regret. See, while you are in your college, you receive the same advice from everywhere. Focus on your academics, get good grades, do internships, join multiple clubs, upskill yourself, work hard, and at the end, you will be sorted. Your placements will be sorted. And even after you do every single step correctly, in your final year, you will realize something scary. That along with you, there were thousands of others who did all the mentioned steps in the rule book correctly. And now you and them, you both are applying to those few opportunities with similar resumes, similar LinkedIn headlines, similar profiles with no particular differentiating factor. So this is when I realized that the problem today is not effort. It's not even efforts in the right direction. Today the problem lies in standing out. Now more than ever, it's harder to do so. Which brings us to the first real reason why you should be starting a YouTube channel. The job market. Let's start with an uncomfortable truth that both you and me know. The job market is getting worse, and in the future it will only get even more worse. AI is taking away jobs, hiring is slowing down, but at the same time, there are more students who are graduating today than ever before. So in such scenario, who is the one most likely to be hired? Not the one who is the most skilled, not the one who has worked the hardest. It's the one who is the most visible. You see, everyone has a degree, everyone has a resume, everyone has a LinkedIn profile. But what everyone does not have is a proof of work. A working body of proofs that shows that you are actually capable of doing what you say that you are capable of doing. And that's where having a YouTube channel that shows, not tell, shows your work becomes powerful. Because that YouTube channel won't compete between degrees. It would explain your degree. And here's the truth which is not very clearly known. While the job market is shrinking and every sector is being affected by AI, every jobs are cutting down in every industry, there is one particular industry which is exploding. And that's the creator economy. And no, I don't mean that everyone should become an influencer because the economy is booming. I mean the entire economy and every player included in that economy. The writer, editor, designer, operator, channel manager, every single one. They are all increasing jobs for these positions. So while you do not have to be in front of your camera at all points of your life, if you start a YouTube channel, you will be entering an economy which is already expanding. So it's a win-win in every possible scenario regarding to the job market. Here's the thing. If that was the only reason, why would billionaires like Nikhil Kamath or footballers like Ronaldo would be interested in starting a YouTube channel? Because they are playing for something much bigger. And that something is attention. You see, attention is the real currency today. The one who has the most attention is the one who has the most power. Why? Because everything follows attention today. Money follows attention. Opportunities follow attention. Influence follows attention. If someone knows you, recognizes you and trusts you, everything else becomes a lot much easier. Because now you have built something that even AI can't replace. You have now built a distribution channel for yourself. Ronaldo and Nikhil Kamath, they are not creating content. They are owning attention. Because they know that once you own attention, you don't have to look for opportunities anymore. Opportunities come looking for you. But see, Ronaldo and Nikhil Kamath have millions and millions of subscribers today. And that's exactly the point where most of us get it wrong. We believe that in order to start, you need to have a great audience, you need to know perfect editing, you need to know how to speak on camera, you need the perfect gear. But all of that is actually bullshit. In order to start, you just need two things: time and a will to experiment, both of which you can have plenty of during your college. You see, college is probably the only time when you are in control of most of your time, right? No bosses, no such responsibilities that you have to pay your EMIs, no expectations of perfection, and you can do what you want to do, right? You can study, you can chill, you can play, you can join clubs, you can do internships, you can do a lot. And if you want to, you can start building your attention quietly in the background. Because if you do so, here is the crazy part. Without even realizing it, you start to get better at communication, storytelling, understanding human psychology, understand how to grab someone's attention. You're not just creating videos, you're creating your unfair advantage. So after all that's said and done, naturally the next question now is, okay, how do I start exactly? So before going into that, I would just like to share an idea which I recently came across in a book by Noah Kagan, $1 Million Weekend, which just shares the idea now, not how. Technically speaking, creating a video has primarily 4 steps: scripting, recording, editing, and publishing. But at this stage of content creation, where you are just starting out to create videos, only one step matters in that, which is to hit the record button. Now, not after you have learned editing, not after you have the perfect gear, not after you have learned script writing. You need to hit the record button now. Trust me, everything else is figured out along the way. The goal right now is not to make the perfect video. The goal is not to make a video that goes viral like Akshay Khanna's dance in Dhurandhar. The goal right now is just to hit the record button and create 10 videos for yourself. And those videos could be about anything, literally anything that you care about. It can be about your hobby, it can be about something that you learned today, something that you did which you are proud of recently. It can even be about news in an industry of your interest. It can literally be anything. The goal right now is just to get the repetitions in, just to make you comfortable in front of the camera or any sort of format that you prefer. The goal is just to get started, which we will be doing by hitting that record button. Do that for 10 times, upload 10 videos, and then maybe comment down below that you have uploaded 10 videos, and then we will be talking again. But before you go, there is this one line which I would want you to take away with yourself, which is being early beats being better. You see, you don't need to be exceptional to start. You just need to be consistent enough and not give up along the way. And college, my friend, college is the earliest, lowest risk window that you would ever get. So I can't change my regret, but you can avoid yours. So stop overthinking, stop planning, stop waiting, hit that record button now, and stop worrying about the how, right? I will see you in the next one. Sayonara. Oh, hi, if you like the video, please subscribe. Okay? Ciao. Bye-bye.